Hello friends.
Meet our club president, Rotarian Dipti Agarwal Todi.
Our club secretary, Rotarian Girija Sarda. It has given me immense pleasure to serve as a president for the 16th year of this dynamic club and carry forward the Rotary legacy.
We tried our best to achieve new heights of success this pandemic year with our member friends and of course the past presidents.
Unity is strength.
When there's a teamwork, many wonderful things can be achieved.
I believe in Sabka Saath, Sabka Vikash, Sabka Vishwas. Thank you.
Hello, my very dear Rotary friends. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy during this unusually prolonged COVID-19 pandemic times and of course following the COVID-19 protocol. Congratulations to all of us friends on the Charter Day and on completing 16 long years of selfless service. I really can't believe it. We have completed 16 years. The club has turned 16. It just seems like yesterday when our club was being chartered and I was receiving the Rotary collar and the pin from the then Ambassador of United States of America to the Kingdom of Nepal. I can still see my charter members standing there all set and ready to become great Rotarians. But I had different problems. I was thinking, क्या मेरे रोटरी फ्रेंड्स हर एक हफ्ता मीटिंग के लिए आएंगे? क्या वो रोटरी का नॉर्म्स प्रोटोकॉल फॉलो करेंगे? क्या रोटरी के हिसाब से चलेंगे? या उनके लिए रोटरी क्लब सिर्फ एक किटी क्लब बन के रह जाएगा? But I was proved wrong, very wrong. My friends turned out to be great leaders, fantastic managers, and one of the most techno-savvy Rotarians in the district. With their vision, their views, their different perspective, they took our club to newer heights and made it into the most talked about club of District 3292, a most vibrant and active club of the district. My friends, it's our unity and the willingness to work that has made our club what it is today. I can assure you, it's just some of your time, a bit of your monetary contribution, and of course your talent, and that really makes the Rotary Club great. And of course, please don't forget that every little contribution to the club in any way that you want to make counts, because it's all those small drops of water that go to make a big mighty ocean. My friends, today I would like to express my appreciation to all my club members, especially all the past presidents, the very strong pillars of Rotary Club of Viratnagar downtown, who have been striving, and especially the go-getters, the achievers who have attained various positions in the district, and all those silent workers also who have been striving every day to make our club a really vibrant club of the district. And to all those new members of the Rotary Club who have just joined, I just wish to tell you that Rotary not only gives you opportunity, opens new doors, but it also gives you a huge platform to serve your community, your society, and the humanity in general. Friends, I only have to say that the good work should continue. We should not stop now. As Robert Frost said in his poem, we have miles to go before I sleep, miles to go before I sleep. Thank you.
Hi everyone, happy 16th Charter Day. We made it to this point because we have served together and we can do so much more in the years to come. Service above self is not just a motto, it is our reason for being. Fellowship is our strength. Let's keep our spirit up and enjoy Rotary. Thank you so much.
Hello everyone. wish you all a very happy 16th Charter Day. I really feel proud to be a member of Rotary Club of Biratnagar Downtown and also being Charter President-elect in the year 2005. 16 past presidents, and each president took our club one step up strongly and constantly. It is all possible because of the healthy environment of the club. All the best wishes to the incoming president and her team. Keep up the spirit of service and essence of fellowship. All the very best and enjoy the Charter Day celebration.
Hello friends, I am Meena Golcha. I have been a Rotarian since year 2005 as a charter member of our club. Since then, I have held various designations and became club president in the year 2010-11. During my tenure, we had the honor of receiving 2 district awards. First prize for our contribution to specially able people through our CP Baby signature project, and third prize for membership. By prioritizing service above self, Rotary has connected like-minded people globally and has brought a welcome change in our lives. My best wishes to fellow Rotarians to continue doing their bit for the betterment of society through service and fellowship.
Hi, this is Rotarian Santosh, the 7th club president and the first assistant governor from our club. Thereafter have been regional chair for various committees and editor for Souvenir of District Literacy Conference. As the club is turning 16, I would like to congratulate the reigning President Rotarian Dipti and her entire team for extremely successful and incredible year. Congratulations, and I hope incoming presidents will keep it up. Ciao.
नमस्ते, मैं चार्टर मेंबर हूँ। 16 साल हो गया क्लब बने को। मैं क्लब ने इतने अच्छे जूनियर सीनियर सब ग्रुप के फ्रेंड्स दिए और सब फ्रेंड्स हम लोग बड़े दिल से मिलते हैं। और आज इस क्लब के लिए जो काम करते हैं वो काम करके मेरे को बहुत सर्विस प्रोजेक्ट करके मेरे को बहुत अच्छा लगता है, बहुत खुशी होती है। और इस क्लब का नाम जब इंटरनेशनल में नेशनल डिस्ट्रिक्ट में जब लिया जाता है प्राउड से, तो अपने आप को बहुत प्राउड फील होता है कि हम लोग डाउनटाउन के मेंबर हैं। ये हमारे लिए बहुत खुशी की बात है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, a big hi to everyone, as big as our club is. Wishing you all a very happy new Rotary year, upcoming new Rotary year. Every day, everything is growing day by day, and our club is also taking a new height each and every year. I cannot express how much I feel proud and honored to be a part of this club as a member, charter member, and a past president. I am not actively participating in this club since few years. Actively participation is not of mine, but really the works our club is doing is leaving a magical effect in people's life, and in my life also. I feel in my life also it's leaving a magical effect, and happy to be surrounded with so beautiful ladies, talented ladies, and a part of this group. Or Rotarian Dipti Todi and Girja, you have done a commendable job during the last whole year. It's been a tough time for all of us, but you have done all the works very successfully. Rotarian Sanjita and her team wish you a great success for the new year. All the best. Thank you.
नमस्ते फ्रेंड्स, हामीले 2005 में रोटरी जोइन गर्दाखेरि समाजमा कसरी परिवर्तन ल्याउने, आफ्नो सर्भिसद्वारा कसरी सेवा गर्न सक्छु, कसरी समाजलाई उन्नति पार्न सक्छु, यो सोच लिएर हामीले जोइन गरेका थिए। तर जोइन गरेपछि हामीहरू कति कुरा उनीहरूको जीवनमा त धेरै परिवर्तन ल्याएका छु। हाम्रो क्लबले यति काम गरेर आज कहाँसम्म पुगिसक्नुभयो। तर हाम्रो जीवनमा पनि उनीहरूको परिवर्तनसँग हाम्रो जीवनमा पनि धेरैवटा परिवर्तन आएको छ र हामीहरू धेरै नेशनल मात्रै होइन इन्टरनेशनल पनि धेरै साथीहरू बनाएका छौँ। नमस्ते।
म रोटेरियन सन्तोष तोदी, चार्टर्ड मेम्बर। म विगत 15 वर्षदेखि रोटरीमा कार्यरत छु। यसमा गाउँ गाउँमा गएर जुन गरिबहरूको हामीहरू निस्वार्थ भावले काम गर्छौँ, उनीहरूको सेवा गर्छौँ, त्यो धेरै राम्रो लाग्छ। आगामी वर्षमा पनि म चाहन्छु कि रोटरीले यस्तो कार्य गरिराखोस्। जसरी 1 र 1 मिलेर 11 हुन्छ, त्यस्तो हाम्रो रोटरीमा धेरै 11वटा छन् जसले हामीलाई ठुलो भन्दा बृहत रूपमा कार्यरत गर्न हामीहरू सफल हुन सक्छौँ। अरूको लागि त आफ्नो लागि त जसरी अरू सबै प्राणीहरू जीवनयापन गर्न सक्छन्, तर रोटरीले हामीलाई यो सिकाउँछ कि अरूको लागि कसरी हामी सेवा गर्ने, अरूको लागि बाँच्न हामीलाई रोटरीले सिकाउँछ। धन्यवाद।
हाई, म गीता कार्की, म रोटरी डाउनटाउनको चार्टर मेम्बर 15 वर्ष भयो रोटरीमा आएको। आई एम भेरी प्राउड टु बी अ रोटेरियन। रोटेरियन भन्दाखेरि हामीलाई रोटरीको काममा गर्दा सबै आनन्द, दिल सन्तुष्टि पाउँछ, साथी सङ्गतहरू बेसी हुन्छ। यो 15 वर्ष भइसक्यो रोटरीमा आएको। धेरै धेरै राम्रो काम हो यो। सबैलाई मलाई रोटरीमा आएर काम गर्नु म सल्लाह दिन चाहन्छु। थ्याङ्क यू।